Today we will discuss one of the important family, Solanaceae. The family Solanaceae has 90 genera, over 2000 species, and the members are distributed mostly in tropical region, Central and South America. Habit: mostly plants are annual or perennial herbs, just like Solanum nigrum and Solanum surretens. Shrub, it is Solanum torvum, a small tree, Solanum verbesci, or some members may be climber like Solanum dullemara. The stems are pricky. The are prickly. Some species of Solanum or spinous. The spines are modified branches. The vascular bundles in the stems are bicollateral, just like the Cucurbitaceae. The vascular bundles are bicollateral in Solanaceae. The leaves are simple, mostly alternate, exstipulate, entire, lobed, and pinnatified. Inflorescence and the flower. The flowers are often borne in cymes, which are lateral and axillary or terminal. In some cases, the cymes are extra-axillary, appearing to arise from the middle of an internode. The flower may be solitary and axillary, as in Datura, or clustered in Withania somnifera. Flowers are ebracteate, without bracts and bracteoles. Flowers are mostly actinomorphic, and in some cases it may be zygomorphic, as in Salpiglossis and Schizanthus. The flower is bisexual but unisexual in Withania pentamerous hypogynous. It is a peculiarity of this family, pentamerous flower. The calyx is five-lobed or five-partite and usually persists and much enlarged in fruit. The calyx lobes are valvate in bud. Corolla is gamopetalous, consists of five petals and have 5 to 10 limbs. So these slides have some incorrections. This is not the five sepals, but it is the five petals. Funnel shape in Datura, campanulate in Physalis. So I will, it is the five petals. I will correct it. These are the petals. Okay. So, and they have 5 to 10 limbs. Funnel shape as in Datura, campanulate in Physalis, and rotate in Solanum. Aestivation in volvate. Androecium consisted of five stamens, epipetalous on the corolla tube and alternate with the lobes. And Androecium consists of stamens which are unequal in height. In zygomorphic form, there are only four, for example, in Salpioglossis or in two in Cygenthus, fertile stamens, and the remaining are represented by staminodes. Ganoecium is typically bicarpellary. The ovary is superior and bilocular. Axial placentation. The placentae are often swollen and the septum is oblique. Swollen oblique septa is the characteristic of Solanaceae. In capsicum, the ovary become unilocular in the upper region by receding the placentae, and the placentation appear to be parietal, but it is it is axillary. But the upper portion, it becomes just like looking like the parietal. The style is linear and the stigma is capitate or shortly lobed. A hypogynous nectariferous disc is usually present at the base of the ovary. This is the floral diagram and floral formulae. Flower is ectomorphic, bisexual. Calyx consists of five sepals And corolla consists of five petals, and both calyx and corolla are fused, means gamosepalous and gamopetalous. And androecium consists of five stamens, and these are epipetalous, connected with the corolla. Gynoecium consists of two carpels, bicarpellary and syncarpous, and hypogynous means ovary superior. Fruits and seeds mostly berry, and but in Datura, fruit is capsule which dies by small. The seeds are dispersed usually by birds and animals. However, in Datura, Atropa, and in some cases, the fruits may be dispersed by the water. Economic importance of this family is very vast. Vegetable family mostly. Solanum tuberosum, aloo. It is the native of temperate ants. Solanum melangina, that is eggplant or bangan. It is a native of South Asia. Lysopersicum esculentum, that is tomato, native of South America. Capsicum annum, that is the mirch. Nicotiana tovacum, that is the tobacco. Atropa belladonna, very important plant. Belladonna. The roots gives atropine. The basis of the drug belladonna is used as a tincture and plasters. Belladonna possesses the property of the anti-spasm of involuntary muscles, dilating pupils, and relieving pains. Valuable antidote in the case of poisoning by the opium. Atropa acuminata. It is the source of Indian belladonna. It is the commercial source of Indian belladonna. Hyoscyamus niger, henbane. The dried leaves and flowering sources of the drug henbane, a sedative in nervous affections and irritable conditions such as asthma and whooping cough. Datura stromium. Datura, the dried leaves and the flower provides drug estromonium, and the drug relieve the spasm of bronchioles in asthma and in the treatment of Parkinson disease. It is also used as a source of alkaloid atropine. The plant is one of the chief ingredients of the Ayurvedic preparation of Kanak Ashav. The seeds are deadly poisonous. Withamnia somnifera, that is ashwagandha. The roots are the source of ashwagandha, prescribed for the hiccup and female disorder, cough and rheumatism. So there are some ornamental plants, especially petunia, Brunfelsia, and Cestum nocturnum. Petunia is the annual with funnel form showing flowers. Schizanthus is the butterfly flower, variously colored flowers in terminal cyme. Brunfelsia, they are shrubs or a small tree with showy, fragrant flowers in large terminal cymes. Cestum nocturnum is called as Ratkirani or night jasmine and commonly cultivated in our gardens. So this is all about the family uh, Solanaceae. So Solanaceae family key characteristic is presence of bicollateral vascular bundle, swollen oblique placenta, stamens epipetalous, fruit is berry. This is the peculiar feature of this family. I think that this discussion will help you in solving the various questions relating with the family Solanaceae. Thank you.